Hey, what's up, Harmony Holder? Surprise for Harmony Holder, because I have one good news also for Harmony Holder, and this is live price prediction of Harmony Coin. And what's the target of Harmony Coin, my friend? In upcoming days, they moving up or they fails down. And what's my opinion to this is holding time, selling time, or buying time? Everything in this video is going to be very special for Harmony Holder. If you are a new holder, absolutely this is good news for you, my friend. To you come out in my video, absolutely I guide you freely. If you want to message me on Instagram, absolutely keep touch with us, my friend. I guide you at a crafter market. I have 3 year experience, my friend. I also share you, my friend, and my experience. So this time, my friend, I already opened the 7-day chart, my friend. But before I get start the prediction, I request you, my brother, to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Click the red button and subscribe this channel, please. Thank you so much, my brother. Okay, this time, if you can see here, I already the 7-day chart open, my friend, and the change occurred in the last 7 days as 27.16% going up. So my friend, if I draw a line 1, you can see here, and I draw a line 2. The line 1, as my friend, touch the highest point. You can see here the highest point, and the line 2, my friend, you can see here the line 2 has touched the lowest point, my friend. So after this fall, my friend, after a very small jump, they take again falls down, my friend. And after this point, my friend, they take again very high jump, my friend. So it's mean to definitely in upcoming days they're moving up like a rocket. They are going in the moon. You can see here just an only straddling in the moon, my friend. Here as no fails down, my friend. Here as no fails down. They only take a jump, my friend. So it's mean definitely to upcoming days they going up like a rocket. And the price is also, my friend, decreasing and increasing, my friend, in upcoming days. So let's see, my friend. If we check out the last 1 hour chart, my friend, then absolutely, my friend, all of you understand to upcoming days they're moving up or they fail us down, my friend. And what's the current situation? Yes, absolutely, my friend. After, if you can see here, this time very small fails. You can see here just and only minus 0.01%. This is not mean, my friend, fails. You can see here after this very high jump, my friend, but after this they fails down. So it's definitely, my friend, the formula to after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. So I think, my friend, just they very take a small fail, and after that, my friend, they take again very high jump, my friend. After this fails they take again very high jump. So definitely, my friend, this is the end of month. I hope they give you very good profit. So please, if you have any plan to buy more than exactly, my friend, this is good time to you buy it and sell it at the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. And the target, my friend, is half US dollar, my friend. I hope they can hit the half US dollar. And my opinion is that, my friend, so please hold it and don't sell it, and wait for the end of this month and sell it. I hope they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates.